that. Hello.
The engine's gone from a blue to a because of the fuel.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What time is it?
I've not looked at my phone.
We just arrived. Where's my phone?
I think we might be late actually.
I don't think so.
No, I think we're in good time.
8:27 only.
It's not 1:30 yet, is it?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's cold, but the thing is, it's not too windy, so it's fine.
Tell the lady. Tell the lady who's in.
Hi.
Mum's reply.
Look like a shopper.
What do you think? Are you
Like
liking
that?
it this time? They'll just try and pop it into the corner of her mouth, and then hopefully it doesn't go straight down.
Does it taste good?
Yeah, that was a good swallow. Well done. A little bit more in here. Bless her.
Okay. Yes.
Oh, she's got a look at a cry.
Okay, we're going to shopping. We're going for a shopping. I am thinking if we're gonna buy for anything food for Christmas. I'm still thinking what to cook for Christmas, you know. Have you decided,
I
mister?
thought we'd be having spaghetti.
When did I told you that I'm gonna cook spaghetti? No carbohydrates, I think. Someone is sleepy. Sleepy.
Are we going, Morrison's?
Yes, first. Kita naman tayo sa Morrison. Tingin ng plants, guys. Nag-reduce yung kanilang poinsettia, guys. O, nagmura. Magkano na lang? 3 pound. It was 10 pound before. Ngayon 3 pound. Ang lago ng poinsettia nila. Pero parang maliliit yung kanilang, yung flowers pa. Medyo maliliit. I don't like the tangerine. Naiwan ko yung mic natuloy akong mic and controller.
You want any milkmaid clothing?
Let's have a look
Yeah.
for her.
Yeah.
I want garlic, mister.
So which one? Yeah. These, $2.95. Or one of those, one of those.
Which one is the sweet?
So,
They're all the same. Ang daming namimili. Why they don't have? No, cookies also. Where's the cookies we want? The pickle. It's big. Basta yung potatoes.
shows you what's happening.
Here, behind. Huh? It's 1 to 6 months, then 6. Aray, titingin tayo ng damit, guys. Again, for my little one. Parang may ano kasi si Mr. Perks. Ano pa yung damit? Parang cute to. Parang gusto ko yan. 6 pound. Itong pink. Ito guys. 6 and may pants. Itong isa cute din. Pero, may mittens. Hindi naman niya kailangan ng mittens. Ano ba yan? Socks. Pairs of socks pala. Ano ko mittens? Check natin. Bakit ang liit ng socks? Parang gusto ko. Ang suotan. Magkano siya? 12 pounds. Ito eh, oh, may bibs. Ay, may pants din. Yeah, it's so cute. Ang cute ng boots. Ang lalaki yung pinipili niya. Sila kalata, lalaki ang anak niya. This is cute. How much is that? 14? Does she need bathrobe?
It's bed clothes.
Bed?
Yeah, sleep clothes.
It's cute. How much? 14? Get the bigger size if you're gonna get that.
The next one is 12 months. It's either 3 to 6 months. It's too small, isn't it?
I don't want 3 to 6 months. She's
No,
already
there
3.
isn't. Oh, here. They're there, look.
They're different.
Yeah.
There. 0 to 3. Became smaller.
There's nothing. There's nothing. They're all gone.
I think this one is...
Okay, for sleeping.
For sleeping or for going out? Can be. Like you? Like that, oh. With ears. What do you think? If we're gonna get... I will get 6 to 9 if we're gonna
We're going to
get.
get some more Carex.
Because, for
And
the
we're gonna
points.
And we're going to get a garlic pizza.
Okay. I like the garlic pizza. I don't know why. I like them. This is 6 to 3 months. It looks big.
6 to 9 months, that.
6 to 9 months, I mean. Or this one. This is only 6 pounds. Hindi na kasi summer. When she turn into 6 onwards, the summer is, the winter is finished. She better have 6 to 9 months. Let's see this. Oh, it's nice. What's that? 11? Maybe because you have a card. But if they don't have a card,
No, it's 18 if you don't have your card.
yung candles sila, oh. 240. Mabango kaya ang kanilang candle? Ito, vanilla. Ang mahal kasi ng candle sa Aldi last time. Ang bango. Happiness. Ito, isa vanilla. Ang bango nito. Vanilla. Get me that. It's only 12 pounds.
It's only £12. It's more than my beer.
Well, I'm gonna use that every day for your own food, for your own good.
It's been there a
But-
while, look. That's very ghosty.
It's fine. It's gonna be washed. Or I want something with lid, but I can't see anything like that with
Try that one for weight.
heavy.
Okay. Put it down then. Try this one for weight.
This is lighter. It's also heavy, isn't it?
Try the other one there.
But this is wood, isn't it? Oh, this is lighter.
I think this is better because
But
it's deeper.
I like this one.
Yeah. It's alright.
traditional look. Parang mga Chinese, Chinese wok pala. Yok naman yun. Is yok? Chinese wok. Oh, did you put it there? Is that okay in... Ay! Hello, pretty girl. Are you okay now? Okay. Are you smiling? Masaya na siya ulit, guys. She's smiling na.
Happy now?
Hello, Christina. She's smiling na. Garlic biscuit. I think that is my favorite for pizza flavor. There's no other garlic. But this will be nice with cheese. Pwede kami sa pizza, guys. Masarap to. Garlic.
You said gloves, is that?
Gloves, not garlic
Rubber
gloves.
gloves.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you were saying about something for Christmas.
Turkey joint. Itong isa duck round.
Because there's only
13 yung duck round. And
some
this
duck.
turkey joint. What is that? Joint,
turkey,
legs?
turkey might be nice to try.
Okay. I haven't tried
But
turkey.
it's,
They're like
but it's
on a
expensive
chicken.
though, isn't it?
Where are they? Turkey, best joint. Don't find them.
So it's £25 for that slow cooker. Well, there's this one here, look, beef shin, so beef on the bone.
I like beef.
So you can. So it's when you want to have turkey.
I haven't tried turkey. I don't know. But I think they're gonna be like chicken.
It's a bit drier than chicken and a bit more meatier. It's like a.
Not
It's
fattier.
like. It's a bit more.
Lamb.
It's a bit more like pork, but it's still chicken.
So, kuha tayo dito guys ng frozen prawn. 10 pound for 3 pieces yan. Whole prawn, king prawn. Sorry. Kuha tayo ng double cream guys. They look all the same. They're all Sibas.
This one's smiling.
Can I have this please? Thank you. They're all the
Thank
same
you.
actually. Tilapia. Tilapia. Ang mahal ng tilapia nila guys. So 8 pound. Pero malalaki naman. Napuno na ang ating cart.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay. You done?
Yeah, I think so.
We're not quite wrong. There's one thing you want.
Okay. On the way to the cashier. Hey, Sleepy. You want some milk? Hello, pretty. Hi. He's smiling. You found?
Yeah.
I'm thinking to get also. Oh my. Yeah, get me. I think so. We need one. I want get some apple. Ay. Nakakita akong mango, guys. Kuha tayo ng mango. Ay! Romaine lettuce. Romaine ang gagamitin ko doon. Mas masarap yung pangalaman. Ano naman ito? Ito ulit ang kukunin kong cabbage, guys. Sweet cabbage. Ito naman siyang masarap naman. Ito na lang siguro. We're home, guys. From vaccination and shopping. Chika ko sa inyo, guys, itong aking coat na ito, ang tagal lang ito sa akin. Hindi ko alam na may hood pala. Ano na lang nakita ni Mr. May zipper. May hood pala. Nakitiisa ko lagi ng umuulan. Ito ang gamit ko. May hood naman pala siya. Tayo mag-shopping haul, guys. Kaso hindi ko makita yung aking mic. Hindi ko na naman alam kung saan ko siya nalagay. Hello, hi, you're scratching your face. You're poking your eyes. You feel hot? Stop scratching. Magaling, baby. Yan ka na.
You'll learn to stop putting things on the sofa.
It's on the sofa?
The sofa was eating it.
I checked it. Oh, no battery. I did not charge it. Walang battery. Nalobat. Hello guys. Good morning. Hindi ko na natuloy kahapon yung vlog pag uwi namin galing supermarket. Kasi nga ang baby namin di ba nagpa-vaccine. So, nasikaso ko siya. And then si Mr. nag-ayos ng ibang pinamili namin. Pero yung iba, nandito pa yung mga hindi kailangan ilagay sa fridge. Ito pala yung aking biniling damit ng aming baby. Oh, super cute niya. Hindi siya ganun kakapal. And then, ang size niya na ay 6 to 9 months. Ako, cute na cute. Mura lang to guys. 6 pound lang to sa Morrison. 6 to 9 months. Kasi after winter, siya ay 6 months na. So, okay lang ito. Kasi hindi na ganun kalamig spring na yon. Pero medyo malamig pa rin dito sa UK ng ganong mga month. Pero magagamit din niya to sa Philippines pag uwi namin. O, diba? Ang cute. So, iaakyat ko to. May kasama pa siyang bib. Bunny. So, ayan. Magkadikit kasi. Tanggalin ko nga. Kupitin natin. Para mas makita natin ang itsura. Pag ako'y may nakikitang damit na pupusuan, yun, pumibili kami. So, ayan. Ang cute ng bib niya, no? Parang yung mga ibang frozen goods ay nandito pa sa fridge. Kasi okay lang naman yung dito sa UK na nilalagay sa fridge. So, ayusin ko sila later. Katulad nito. Itong fish ay lulutuin natin today. So, successful. Nakabili na ako ng fish. Last grocery, hindi ako nakabili kasi nga ay gabi na. Kung kami nabili ni Mr. So, ayan. Ganda rin itong luto. Anong ito, guys? Anong handa niyo for Christmas? Bumili na kami ni Mr. na for Christmas namin. Since dalawa lang naman kami. Ito ang aming... Ito ang binili niya, guys. O, turkey. Slow cooked turkey. Tapos, ang flavor niya ay... Ano to? Turkey joint with pork, roast chestnut, and honey stuffing. So, serve for 6 person. For 6 person, pero dalawa lang naman kami ni Mr. For sure, hindi namin ito mauubos. Ito ay 1.5 kilo. So, ito na ang ating handa for Christmas. Tapos, iniisip ko magpakaroni. Magkano ba itong turkey na to? Tignan natin. Ay, asan ang resibo? Wala, hindi ko siya kita. Pero alam ko ito ay 25 pounds. So, bumili din pala kami ng tray, ganito. Para sa Christmas siguro paglulutuan. Para hindi na ako hugas-hugas ng madami. Anyway, ang baby pala namin is, okay na siya today. Kahit pa paano naman is, hindi na siya maligalig. Hindi katulad kagabi, hindi talaga siya nagpababa. Kaya hirap si Mr. Si Mr. kasi ang nagkakarga. Kasi nga, yung sakit ng aking balikat, tsaka yung aking wrist, sobrang sakit niya. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Siguro may naipit na ugat. Naipitan ng ugat to. Wala namang manghihilot dito. Kaso hinilot ko siya kagabi. Parang lalong sumakit. Parang nagpe-play. So, itong diced beef namin, guys, isang lutuan to ng diretsyo kasi sakto lang yan sa amin. And then, itong pork, dahil 6 pieces siya, hatiin ko rin yan. Itong marinated, kuha na naman si Mr. Mahili kami sa ganito. Instant ba? Pag mabilisan. Kasi pag may baby talaga, mahirap talaga siya magluto. Mahirap ang time management. Kasi siya ay idlip-idlip lang. Kaya, freeze na natin itong mga kailangang i-freeze. Marami pala guys, nabili si Mr. na pizza sa Morrison. So, for try lang. So, ayan. 3 klase to eh. Pero, ano ba tong isa? Takeaway stuffed crust. Barbecue sauce fillet. Isn't meat. Ito yung isa, sweet honey barbecue. Parang may ano sila sa loob. Ayan, may flavor. Yung sa ano niya, sa crust. Tapos ito yung isa, garlic. Ito ang pinaka-favorite ko sa pizza flavor, yung garlic flavor. Tapos nakabili din ako ng seafood kahapon. Ito yung 3 for 10 pounds. Ayan. So, squid to. Giant squid. Para siyang ano? Para siyang octopus. Ayan. Marami siyang laman. Masarap to pag-gisa sa gulay. Tapos, 2 prawn yung binili ko. Iba-buttered prawn ko siya kasi pag isa lang, kakaunti. Kaya ginawa ko. Sobrang skip guys yung ating freezer. Kaya itong mga to ay hahatiin ko na lang. Ay, hahatiin. Ito ilalagay ko sa ziplock. Para mabilis isiksik. Madali na siyang isiksik pag naka-ziplock. Pag nakalagay kasi sa ganito, sa plastic, ang hirap niyang isiksik pag bunot. Marami kasi biniling pizza ni Mr. Sabi ko, napakadami naman ng ilang pizza. So, wala ngayon si Mr. Umalis siya, pero wala na siyang work. Hindi ko alam kung hanggang kailan siya walang work. Si Mr. pala guys ay nagpunta sa kanyang eye appointment. Dapat kukunin niya na din yung kanyang hearing aid today. Di ba? Nagpaano kasi siya? Nagpa-hearing test para sa bagong hearing aid. Kaso hindi pa daw tapos. Sabi mo, sa Boots kasi siya nag-ano. Mahal nga guys. Diyos ko, nakakalula yung presyo ng kanyang hearing aid. Pwede ka nang makabili ng bagong sasakyan ng second hand. Second hand lang. Sobrang mahal. Anong gift nyo guys sa Mr. nyo? Or anong gift na sa inyo? Ako may gift na galing kay Mr. Pinabili ko. Yung kami ay na grocery. So ang aking pinabili ay gift lang. Ito guys, ang aking pinabili. Ito, lutuan. O, diba? So, nagpabili ako ng wok kasi mahilig ako magluto ng pansit. Tapos, si Mr. mahilig din siya sa mga pansit-pansit. Naiyak na ang aking baby. So, lagyan na natin ito lahat sa ziplock. Ang chicken. Eto, pork. Pang lutuan lang din. Didihin ko muna, guys, ang bata. Nakadapa na siya. Marunong na siyang dumapa. Hindi ko na siya mapigilan. Are you okay na? Parang okay na siya. Usus! Parang inapi. Usus! Inapi ikaw? Hindi ikaw pinapamilk? So, dito na lang muna guys ang ating vlog for today's video. Thank you nga pala sa inyong panonood, lalo na yung mga regular dyan. Sobrang thank you sa inyong lahat guys. And sa mga bagong subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. Yun lang guys. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat dyan. And Happy New Year. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye.